Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best trimmer blower combos in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is WORX GT 3020V String Trimmer and Blower Revolution Combo. WORX is a highly popular brand when you are talking about power tools and gardening tools, since most of its offerings are quite versatile and practical, like its trimmer and blower combo given here. The WORX WG928 GT 3.0 trimmer and blower combo is a fairly feature-rich option for the given price. Considering the given price, it is rated for 20 volts, which is quite decent for most. As for its cutting width, it offers a 12-inch wide trimmer. Coming to its blower, you get a maximum airflow of up to 340 cfm from it, which is pretty good for the given price. Number 2. Our second best pick is DEWALT DCKO215M1 20V Cordless String Trimmer. If you are familiar with battery-powered garden tools and power tools, then you must have definitely heard about DEWALT in the past, since it offers some of the best performing options, including its trimmer and blower combo given here. DEWALT's DCK215M1 trimmer and blower combo is one of the best options for heavy-duty usage thanks to its given performance numbers. Starting with its power requirements, this trimmer and blower combo also uses 20 volts current. But despite that, you get a slightly larger cutting width of 13 inches. Number 3. Our third best pick is Black + Decker 20V Power Connect Sweeper Combo Kit. Even though Black Decker is one of the most popular brands of power tools, it is still one of the most affordable ones, because of which its trimmer and blower combo is also a great entry-level option for many. Black Decker's LCC 222 trimmer and blower combo is the cheapest option given here, which makes it perfect if you have strict budget restrictions. Because this is such an affordable trimmer and blower combo, it uses 20-volt power. Unfortunately, the given cutting width of 10 inches is definitely on the lower side even on a budget. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Greenworks 40V Cordless String Trimmer and Leaf Blower Combo. Greenworks has been offering all kinds of gardening power tools for quite a long time, including multiple trimmer and blower combos that perform quite great for most users. This Greenworks trimmer and blower combo is the best performing option in its class, making it an excellent value for money option for many. Because this trimmer and blower combo is rated for 40 volts, it is much more powerful than others. In fact, you also get a cutting width of 12 inches with it, making it practical for many. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is WORX Cordless String Trimmer and Blower. WORX also offers higher-end and more powerful options for those who are looking for a trimmer and blower combo that offers great performance along with various handy features. The WORX WG929M1 trimmer and blower combo is one of the most powerful options out there in terms of its specifications and features. Similar to the previous WORX offering, this one also uses 20-volt electricity. With this, it can easily power its 12-inch cutting width trimmer. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.